Building a powerful mid-range gaming PC under $1,000 involves selecting components that balance performance, efficiency, and cost. This build aims to provide a solid gaming experience at 1080p and even venture into 1440p for less demanding games while maintaining room for future upgrades. I will link to all parts mentioned in this video in the description below, but I can't guarantee the prices will stay the same. The processor for this build is going to be the AMD Ryzen 5 7600X. This processor has a strong single-core performance, which is crucial for gaming. It features 6 cores and 12 threads, offering excellent multitasking capabilities with a base clock speed that can boost up to 4.7 GHz. This CPU ensures your games run smoothly. The AM5 socket also provides a future upgrade path with upcoming Ryzen processors. CPU cooler for this build is going to be the Thermalright Assassin X120. This cooler offers superior cooling performance for its price point, keeping the Ryzen 5 7600X temperatures in check during these gaming sessions. Its design includes a large heatsink with a 120mm fan, providing effective cooling while maintaining low noise levels. The cooler's aesthetic also blends well with most builds, enhancing the overall look of the system. The motherboard for this build is going to be the MSI Pro B650M-A Wi-Fi Pro Series motherboard. This MSI motherboard supports the latest DDR5 memory and PCIe 4.0, ensuring you're equipped for high-speed data transfers. It features built-in Wi-Fi, which is convenient for wireless setups, and offers ample USB ports for various peripherals. The B650 chipset provides a solid foundation for this build, balancing cost with performance features. The memory for this build is going to be the Silicon Power Value Gaming 32GB of DDR5 6000 MHz speed. Opting for 32 gigs of DDR5 RAM at 6000 MHz provides ample memory for gaming and other applications, ensuring no bottleneck in performance. The high speed and lower latency of DDR5 helps in reducing load times and improving game performance. This kit is also cost effective for the amount of memory and speed it offers. For the storage in this build, we have selected a Silicon Power UD90 2TB M.2 SSD drive. This SSD delivers fast read and write speeds thanks to the PCIe 4.0 interface, which is ideal for quick boot ups and game loading times. With 2 TB of storage, there's plenty of space for games, applications, and personal files, making it a future-proof solution for growing game libraries. The graphics card for this build is the FXX Speedster Quick 308 Black Radeon RX 7600 8GB video card. This graphics card provides excellent 1080p performance and can handle 1440p gaming with some settings adjustments. It comes with 8GB of VRAM, which is sufficient for most current titles. The card's cooling system is efficient, maintaining performance under load while keeping noise levels down. The case for this build is going to be the Cooler Master Masterbox Q300L Micro ATX Mini Tower case. This case is compact yet offers good airflow with its mesh front panel. It's ideal for smaller spaces but still allows for easy component installation and future upgrades. Its aesthetic is clean and it includes a tempered glass side panel to showcase your build. And the power supply for this build is going to be the Corsair RM650. This is a 650 watt, 80 plus gold certified, fully modular ATX power supply. This power supply provides reliable power with an 80 plus gold efficiency rating, reducing power waste and heat. Being fully modular, it allows for better cable management, improving airflow and aesthetics inside the case. The 650 watt capacity is well suited for this build, with room for future GPU upgrades if needed. This build leverages current technology to offer a balance of performance and future-proofing, all within a $1,000 budget. Each component has been selected to work in harmony, providing a gaming experience that punches above its weight class, with the flexibility to upgrade as technology evolves and gaming demands increase. I will link to all the parts mentioned in this video in the description below, but I can't guarantee that prices will stay the same. And as always, thanks for watching.